Urban exploration. When we think of exploration, we often think of wild, untouched landscapes, but the beating heart of a city has its own stories to tell. Welcome to the world of urban exploration, where every street corner, historical site, and even that graffiti you pass by daily, holds a tale of its own. Not all adventures require mountains and forests. Sometimes, all you need is a pair of good walking shoes and the curiosity to discover. Urban environments are ever evolving, and with them evolve stories, legends, and hidden gems that often go unnoticed. From the forgotten rooms of old buildings, once bustling with life, to the lively public spaces that have witnessed countless shared memories, and the mesmerizing street art that gives a voice to the soul of the city. Urban exploration is about reconnecting with our cities, understanding their past, and envisioning their future. It's about seeing the familiar with a fresh perspective, seeking out the hidden, and celebrating the beauty amidst the chaos. So, the next time you're in a city, whether it's your own or one you're visiting, remember, adventure doesn't always call from the wild. Sometimes, it whispers from the alleyways, rooftops, and murals of the urban jungle. Join us, as we embark on a journey of urban exploration. Dive deep into the heartbeats of cities and uncover the tales they hold. Like, share, and subscribe for more adventures in the urban wild.